Okay, final score 6-2 man 6-2, winning by 1 point. And now from 3-2 is Team Cas. Yan. Okay, win number 3 pick up na by Cas. 3-2 pong score po nila. Okay.
Alright, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Okay, best player.
Best player of the game is... Okay, Amampang, best player of the game. Oh, kailangan interview pa kita. Okay.
Sige sir, dito tayo.
Okay, we're here with us now is Mr. Amampang, number 48, winning the period na man of the match, sir. Binigyan kami ng isang napakagandang laban talaga.
Natsambahan lang.
Hindi, tsamba yun. Puso yun. Okay.
Tingnan mo, kulang pa nga sila kung kompleto yun.
Wala kasi limak dun eh. Okay. O sige, sir, ang target is what? 3-2.
Oo,
3-2. Okay, what expect at the final 5 games po ng Cas?
dapat walang talo.
Oh,
Sana
talaga, for
kompleto
placing talaga.
Kulang pa ng practice. Practice mula.
Okay, sir, Amampang, sir, I'll give 1 minute to shout out now your loved ones, supportador si Malat.
Shout out sa mga ating pala.
Okay.
Tapos asawa ko,
Okay, kay commander mo, of course.
Boseng.
Okay. Yan po si Mr. Amampang. Maraming salamat po. And he's winning the man of the match po. Amampang, number 48, Dangkas.
Thank you.